If you watch TV, you've most likely noticed a hair loss commercial or two. The occasionally quirky yet tacky commercials do not provide a whole lot of solace when we begin going bald up top or the forehead starts to recede. Thankfully, there are great solutions at hand. The first step you should take concerning a treatment for hair loss is consulting a family doctor or a trichologist. She or he may be able to present you with some great options. The good news is, a lot of these products are effective, but not so expensive nowadays. You can get your hair back. You simply need to exhaust your resources in order to pinpoint that perfect cure for hair loss. This really is the only choice, but it doesn't have to be your best option. You can find an effective treatment for hair loss if you do your homework. In the cosmetically advanced world we currently reside in, there is no reason why you should take your hair loss like a man. Are you in desperate search of a treatment for hair loss? Many men are going through a daily battle with hair loss. The inevitable suffering, unfortunately, becomes a reality for many of us. While most men do not prefer a bald scalp, some are taking this route and avoiding the battle altogether.